A cleanup operation still underway in the Houston Ship Channel.
Yeah, a collision between a ship and two barges there on Friday caused a huge spill. The barges were loaded with a highly flammable and toxic gasoline additive. One of the barges capsized and leaked about 9,000 barrels of the chemical into the channel. And that spill is causing major concerns for marine life in that area. It happened in the northwestern part of the Galveston Bay in the Houston Ship Channel. Since then, fish kills have been reported along Kemah Beach. The state health department is now advising people not to fish or eat seafood from parts of Galveston and Trinity Bays. Galveston Bay is also off limits to oystering indefinitely. And Chris 6 News anchor Priscilla Torres is looking into this part of the story and has more.
Oyster season just closed last month in Texas, except for Galveston Bay, which is the largest oyster fishery in the state. That is until Friday's collision in the Houston Ship Channel.
We talk a lot about the oysters being our canaries in the coal mine in our bays, and so they're really our first warning system of when something is happening.
The Department of State Health Services shut down remaining oystering operations as a precaution. Meanwhile, Chair of Coastal Conservation and Restoration at the Hart Research Institute, Dr. Pollack fears what this could mean long term.
This isn't just sort of fishing for sport, this is fishing for us to eat, and we really want to make sure that that food source is clean and safe and not contaminated in any way.
Oysters are essential to our waters and economy. They're filter feeders, which means they clean and clear the water. The oyster shells create reefs, which help protect shorelines from eroding and provide a habitat for fish. And oyster harvesting provides jobs and a food source, bringing in millions of dollars a year across the state. Dr. Pollack says this is why it's so important to look for other ways to keep the oyster population strong and healthy. State Representative Todd Hunter says this is exactly why House Bill 1300 is needed, which would allow aquaculture in the state of Texas to help consumers offset issues just like this.
You could maintain populations of oysters that could be used to jumpstart reefs that have been lost in the future, so that you can sort of more easily bridge the gap between habitat loss and habitat success.
Priscilla Torres, Chris 6 News.
And House Bill 1300 passed in the Senate on Friday. It's now headed to the governor, but it's not known if he's going to sign it into law.